Good morning. It's about six-ish my time. These mushrooms have been growing. The pink one for 2 whole days, and the blue one, this will be the second day. But that pinkish tinge, which is the mycelium in the mushroom, was not there last night. Up in that corner there, none of this was there last night. None of this was here last night. It was, all that was white. And it was the mycelium, like you see right there. This one is still healing because it was cracked in the package when I got it. So she told me to just take it out and cut it and let it heal itself back, and it's doing it. But this sucker should have some mushrooms pinning off of it within this week. I will be back to show ya.